In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Age of Empires 2 on your PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and after that we quickly need to search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download it. So quickly search up the game at Steam, and after that search for the game Age of Empires 2. Once you have done this, search for it, and as you can see we will find different versions. Now for now I will use the definitive edition, and once you have clicked on the game you will open the game page. Now scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game will be €32.99 on Steam. But don't worry, we have a workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. What you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Now you will be redirected to this webpage, and we will search for the same game, Age of Empires 2. After that we need to select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first, and once you have done this we can scroll a little bit down. As you can see, here is the Age of Empires 2 definitive edition, and this game is for PC. It also can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green and then open the game. Now you will be opening the game page, and as you can see we can already download this game for just €14.57 compared to the Steam price of €32.99. This will definitely save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now the next step is of course to purchase this game on this website, and then you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!